Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I am Naglakshmi, class teacher of 4A. I am happy to welcome all my stars of grade 4A children to present their citation. First, I would like to call upon Adorable Rani Amreen onto the stage. She is very attentive and energetic in class.
Happy greetings to all. I am Adorable Rani Amreen from grade 4A. I possess logical linguistic intelligences. I wish to become a world famous army officer. I would like to save our nation. In my Acharya Villanu campus, I learned Malgam Silamak PT activities. I am very thankful to my lovable Amma and Appa because they are my role model and inspiration. They taught me a good values and culture of our nation. Recently, I have done the Termite Skill project and showcased different intelligence to my parents. They were witness and appreciative for my efforts. I love to do yoga during yoga class. Yoga asana make me physically healthy, mentally strong and emotionally balanced. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She got first prize in running race, second prize in standing broad jump and Malgam, third prize in Kriya and drawing competitions. Congratulations, dear.
வெற்றி அதை அடைவோமே சக்தி தின பெறுவோமே புத்தி அதில் தெளிவோமே யுக்தி அதில் உணர்வோமே ஜெய் ஜெய் ஜெய்
I am happy to welcome adventurous Rani Angelina onto the stage.
Happy greetings to all. I'm Adventurous Rani Angelina from 4A. My aim is to become a world famous astronaut. My favorite subjects are English, Math and Social. My favorite teacher is Keetana ji. I excel in logical, musical and interpersonal intelligences. In my school, every month I participate in intelligence-based group and individual competitions. Last year, I have participated in Rubik's Cube World Record. It was a memorable moment for me. I am interested in dance and badminton. Satya Mahakriya and breathing exercise are very helpful to be active and healthy. We practice it every day in morning assembly. Sequence board, game board, skill card and spit card are also helpful to learn English with ease. I thank my lovable parents because they are my role model and inspiration. I am sure that Acharya will make me to achieve my goal. I thank my dearest principal ma'am and beloved brother MDG for this wonderful schooling. Thank you, love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She got first prize in dance competition, max puzzle solving and clay modeling competition. Second prize in Kriya, third prize in Silamam competition. Congratulations, dear.
100% I love my mother 100% I love my family 100%
Here comes humble Rani Harshika onto the stage. She is very good in Yogasana. She is physically fit and mentally strong person.
Happy greetings to all. I am humble Rani Ashka from grade 4A. I used to become a world famous doctor. I possess interpersonal and logical intelligences. At Acharya every month, I participate in intelligence-based group and individual competition. It developed my leadership quality and sportsmanship. I am thankful to my Amma and Appa. They have chosen the best school in the world to achieve my goal. My favorite teacher is Vinod Guruji. She is a kind and affectionate person. I learned all the good values from my parents and teachers. My favorite subject is maths. I will work hard to achieve my goal. I am sure Acharya will make me to achieve my goal. I thank my dearest principal ma'am and brother MDG for giving me this wonderful schooling. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She got first prize in English puzzle solving and Silamam competition, second prize in Hindi poem recitation, science quiz, running race, ball throw competitions, third prize in max clay modeling, Kriya and Malcolm competitions. Congratulations, dear.
100%
stepping on to the stage is Joyful Rani Jayasti. She is very good in drawing.
Happy greetings to all. I am Joyful Rani Jayasti from grade 4A. I possess logical and interpersonal intelligences. My favorite teacher is Nityaji. She strengthened my values system by incorporating Acharya values. After I joined in ASM Millenur, I learned by outline chess, yoga, meditation, syllabum and Malgam. With the guidance of the best trainers, I am very thankful to my parents who gave this best school for my future. I aspire to become a world famous artist and I make inner world happy. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She got first prize in Malcolm, second prize in English poster making competition, third prize in English puzzle solving competition. Congratulations, dear.
Yeah.
வெற்றி அதை அடைவோமே சக்தி திற பெறுவோமே புத்தி அதில் தெளிவோமே யுக்தி அதில் ஒளிர்வோமே யா யா யா
Here comes powerful Rani Priyadarshini on stage. She is punctual and attentive in class.
Happy greetings to all. I am Powerful Rani Priyadarshini from grade 4A. My ambition is to become world famous doctor. I am very thankful to my parents, teachers and my affectionate knowledge brother. I excel in logical and interpersonal intelligences. I actively participate in the intramural sports event. My favorite teacher is Kitana ma'am. She taught English grammar in an easy way as I am new to Acharya. She motivated me every day. I learn Acharya culture from all the teachers, skill brother and them. Very much interesting for me. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She got first prize in English puzzle solving, ball throw and standing broad jump competition, second prize in singing competition, third prize in max clay modeling competitions. Congratulations, dear.
We are the students of Acharya.
I wish to invite Silent Rani Sanjanasti on stage. She likes to do dance and sing song. She possesses bodily kinesthetic intelligence.
Happy greetings to all. I am Silent Rani Sanjanasti from 4A. My ambition is to become a world famous doctor. I possess logical, musical intelligences. I love to dance and sing. I have this year participated in intramural sports. Meet with last of enthusiasm. I participated in all sports and activities. It develops bodily kinesthetic intelligences. I am thankful my mother and family members. They gifted me Acharya this year. This is my best school to brighten up my future. In my school, my favorite teacher is Nagalakshmi ma'am. She is my class teacher too. Her motherly care inspired me. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She got first prize in max clay modeling, second prize in science quiz, third prize in max puzzle solving competitions. Congratulations, dear.
I love my school, Acharya. I love my school, Acharya.
Now I call upon Smiling Rani Shamila on stage. She is very attentive and energetic in class.
Happy greetings to all. Smiling Rani Sharmila from grade 4A. My ambition is to become a world famous doctor. I possess bodily kinesthetic interpersonal intelligences. I love to read storybooks and play games. I thank my lovable parents who have chosen the best school to brighten up my future. My favorite subject is English. My favorite teacher Nagalakshmi ma'am. She encouraged me. Acharya values brain gym exercise, DD activities are helpful for me to activate different function of the brain. Thank you, my dear parent, teacher, principal ma'am for her care and guidance. Special thanks to my beloved brother MTJ who is a creator of Acharya World Class Education. Thank you, love you all.
Be good to you,
Be
dear.
you. Oh yeah, I did it.
She got first prize in max clay modeling competition, second prize in Hindi poem recitation competition, third prize in running race and ball throw competition.
அன்புடையார் இன்பம் உரியர் பிறக்கும்
call upon Smart Rani Sri Parvati on stage. She is very good at dance and smart in her actions.
Happy greetings to all. I am Smart Rani Sripati from 4th year. I wish to become a world famous chemical scientist because I wish to discover the incurable diseases. My parents are my great influence. They brought me more stronger and more affectionate. I can proudly say my parents are lawyers. My favorite subjects are science, maths. My favorite teacher is Nagalakshmi ji. I like the way she cares for my future. I like my brother very much, Sarah. He is an affectionate and smart person. I will work hard to achieve my goal. I'm thankful to my parents and my teachers. I am especially thankful to Miss Chalini ji and Dr. Arunda ji. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh, hey, I did it.
She got first prize in Max clay modeling and dance competitions, third prize in French poster making and fireless cooking competitions. Congratulations, dear.
My school name Acharya. I'm happy to say my school name Acharya. I'm happy to say my school name Acharya. I'm happy to say my school name Acharya.
Here comes Sincere Rani Supriya on stage. She possesses good communication skill and smart in her actions.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I'm Sincere Rani Supriya from grade 4A. My ambition is to become a world famous IAS officer. I like to serve to the people for our nation. My favorite subject are maths and social studies. I possess logical, interpersonal intelligences. My sincere gratitude to my lovable Amma and Appa for giving me the wonderful school Acharya to reach my goal. I like my sister Tushita very much. She always take care of me. My favorite teacher is my class teacher Nagalakshmi ma'am. Thank you my dear principal ma'am, you are my inspiration. Thank you my dear beloved brother Dr. J. Arvindan ji for being teacher, trainer, transformer and the pillar of Acharya World Class Institution. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She got first prize in science quiz competition, poster making and singing competition, second prize in French clay modeling competition, Silambam and drawing competition, third prize in Kriya competition. Congratulations, dear. I wish to invite young Rani Yogita on stage. She is very silent and attentive in class.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am English Rani Yogita from grade 4. I wish to become a world famous engineer. I possess interpersonal and logic intelligence. My favorite subject is maths. I am thankful to my lovable parents to choose this wonderful schooling. During Pongal celebration, I enjoyed tractor ride. It made me happy. I love to do all the activities from connected by the teachers. I like my brother Sarvesh very much. We both love to play in Kids Park. I thank my parents, teachers, Principal Ma'am and MDG, who are my pillars of success. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I did it.
She got first prize in French self-introduction competition, second prize in Max puzzle solving competition, third prize in chess and French poster making competitions. Congratulations, dear.
Very cool. I'm happy to say my school name Acharya. I'm happy to say my school name Acharya. I'm happy to say my school name.
I wish to invite active Raja Atish Sharma on stage. He loves to do Silambam and Malgam.
Hi, I'm greeting to all. I am Active Raja Atish Sharma from 4A. I am thankful to my parents because this is the best school for me to reach my goal. My aim is to become a world famous science officer. I possess skill intelligence. I love to do Silambam with the computer Talanji. Acharya motivated every individual to excel their broad talents. My favorite teacher is Talanji. I work hard to achieve my goal. I thank my Amma and Appa for providing happy schooling. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He won second prize in English puzzle solving competition, chess competition, third prize in singing competition. Congratulations, dear. Here comes Amikamul Raja Atif Muhammad on stage. He loved to do drawing.
Happy greetings to all. I am Amika Bhatti from grade 4A. I wish to become a world famous army officer. My favorite subject is social science. My favorite teacher is Yamuna ma'am. She teaches content in a detail way. I enjoy learning maths using MATLAB Kit. My competition encouraged to explore me different intelligences. I would like to thank my mother who cares for my future. Satyamaka Kriya is really helpful to be active. We practice every day morning assembly. Thank you. Love you all.
Big hoot to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He won first prize in Max puzzle solving competition, second prize in Hindi poem recitation competition and social poster making competitions. Congratulations, dear.
இவனென்ன மாத்தி வப்பா நீ குழிய பறிச்சு வச்சா இவ மலையிலேறி நிற்பா சுத்தி அடிக்கிற லத்திக்கிட்ட சிக்கினா அந்த கத்தி எல்லாம் போட்டினா
Now I call upon brilliant Raja Badriram on stage. He is good in communication skill.
Happy greetings to all. I am brilliant Raja Badriram from grade 4A. I excel in linguistic and interpersonal intelligences. My aim is to become a world famous businessman. My favorite teacher is Vinodinji. I am very thankful to my parents for providing me in this schooling to brighten my future. In my school, I love to learn Kriya, Malgam and Silambam. 5 hours curriculum adds value to our future. I am learning 5 hours from well-trained masters. I will put my full effort to reach my goal and be successful in life skills also. I would like to thank my lovable parents, our principal ma'am, Mrs. Salini ji, for their guidance and support. Thank you. Love you all.
Big hoot to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He won first prize in English storytelling competition and origami competition, second prize in Max puzzle solving competition and clay modeling competition, third prize in Silamam competition. Congratulations, dear.
தமிழண்டா எல்லாரும் சொன்னாலே திமிரேறும் காத்தோட கலந்தாலும் அதுதான் அடையாளம்
Here comes humble Raja Hashwant on stage. He is calm and attentive in class.
Happy greetings to all. I'm Humble Raja Ashwin from grade 4A. I wish to come and become a world famous doctor. My favorite teacher is Naglakshmi ma'am. She teaches me all the good values to achieve my goal. Acharya and them pushed me around. I love my amma, appa and grandparents. Thank you, love you all.
Big hoot to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He got first prize in English puzzle solving competition, third prize in Max polyhedron shapes clay modeling competition and ball throw competition. Congratulations, dear.
வெடிச்சுதா இது தீருமே பொத்தி வச்ச அணுவாயுதமினி உலகையே பலி கேட்குமே
I wish to invite kind Raja Kavin on stage. He is attentive and energetic in class.
Happy readings to all. I am Kain Raja Kavin from 4th year. I wish to become a world famous IPS officer, logical interpretation and intelligence. My favorite subject is science. My favorite teacher is Naglakshmi ma'am. I love my school, like to play in the kids park. Campsons are the park, it's so good, thank to me. Amma and Appa for love and caring of me. Well, like my future, thank to my teachers, principal ma'am, and MDG. Thank you. Love you all.
Big hoot to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He won first prize in science quiz competition, second prize in Tamil group singing competition, third prize in English puzzle solving competition. Congratulations, dear. I would like to call upon kinesthetic Raja Krishiv Raj on stage. He is good in dance and good in communication skill.
Happy greetings to all. I am Kinesthetic Raja Krishnaraj from grade 4A. My aim is to become a world famous army officer. I would like to serve our nation. I can proudly say that my school Acharya is number 1 5-star rated CBSE school in Puducherry. Acharya gives me holistic development and my teacher helped me to identify my hidden talent, build confidence, develop life skills. Here I can balance academics and extracurricular activities happily. In January month, we participate in dance event and enjoy tractor ride. I will work hard to achieve my goal. Every year I wish to attend the 2024 Mahashambhala. It showered us wonderful positivities. I would like to thank my MTG who are the initiator for the wonderful program. I would like to thank my Amma, Appa, teachers and Principal Ma'am Shalini for their support. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He got first place in English puzzle solving competition, Tamil Thirukural recitation competition, science quiz, social clay modeling competitions, and second prize in Tamil singing competition, third place in dance competition. Congratulations, dear.
திக்கொடி கட்டு மலைகளை முட்டும் வரை முட்டு லட்சியம் எட்டும் வரை எட்டு படையெடு படையப்பா கை தட்டும் மொழிபட்டு நீ விடும் நெற்றி
Next person who's stepping on is Loyal Raja Lokesh on stage.
Happy Getting Full! I am Loyal Raja Lokesh from 40. I wish to become a world famous doctor. I am good in both. During my intermodal sports event, I got first prize in running race. I felt too happy on the day. After learn Riya and Silamam, Signas was and game was helped me to develop my communication skill. My favorite teacher is Nagalakshmi ma'am. She always teach me good values. I thank my Amma and Appa for providing me his happy schooling. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He won first prize in running race, 100 meters dash, second prize in singing competition, third prize in standing broad jump competition. Congratulations, dear.
தர்மம் தோற்காதே ஆளும் காவலனே மேற்கை ஏற்காதே வீழும் சூரியனே தர்மம் தோற்காதே ஆளும் காவலனே கசிந்திடும் கண்ணீரை திரும்பிடச் செய்யா வரவிடும் நெஞ்சத்தில்
I would like to call upon Need Raja Nishal on stage. He is very calm and attentive in class.
I'm Need Raja Nishal from 4th. I wish to become a world famous pediatrician. I excel in logic in bodily connectivity. My favorite subject is my favorite is Nagalakshmi ma'am. I am very thankful my lovable Anna Appa in my ASM campus. I learn Silamam, Malgam, chess and PT activities. I will work hard to reach my goal. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He won first prize in polyhedron clay modeling competition, second prize in Tamil group singing competition, and third prize in English puzzle solving competitions. Congratulations, dear. Now I call upon Nature Raja Nithilan on stage. He is calm and good at dance.
Happy greetings to all. I'm National Raja Nithilan from Get For You. I wish to become world famous army officer. I would like to serve to our nation. I'm very thankful to my Amma and Appa because they are my inspiration and role model. At Acharya, we celebrate all the festivals and events wholeheartedly. I learned the importance of culture and its key aspects. I'm very thankful to my Amma, teacher and principal ma'am Mrs. Shalini for their guidance and support. My special thanks to lovable brother Dr. J.R. Vidarji. I will work hard to reach my goal. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He won first prize in polyhedron clay modeling competition, second prize in English puzzle solving competition, third prize in science quiz and social poster making competitions. Congratulations, dear. I would like to call upon resourceful Raja Ritesh on stage. He is good at sports and love to do silambam.
Happy greetings to all. I am Precious from Get 4A. I wish to become world famous scientist. I excel in logical, interpersonal intelligence. My favorite subject is science. My favorite teacher is Nitya ma'am. The way me teach, take care of me, motivated, make my dream stronger. I follow my Amma and Appa direction and have them as my role model. I love to learn silambam. I like to do sequence boards and game boards, which help me to develop my communication skills. I thank my Amma and Appa for pouring in this happy schooling. My special thanks to all teachers, dear principal man and MDG. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He got first prize in silambam, kriya, chess competitions, second prize in Hindi poem recitation competition, third prize in origami competitions. Congratulations, dear.
யாரா இவன் ஊரை கேட்டா தெரியும் வர முன்ன வந்து நின்னு பாரா புரியும்
I would like to call upon Reliant Raja Rudreshwar on stage. He is very energetic and active in all his actions.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Brilliant Raja Rudreshwar, grade 4A. I wish to become a world famous army officer. I possess kinesical interpersonal intelligences. My favorite subject is maths. My favorite teacher is Naglakshmi ma'am. I love my school very much. I like to play in the kids park. I like to thank my Amma and Appa for my bright future. My special thanks to all teachers, principal ma'am and MTG. Thank you. Love you all. Oh yeah, I did it.
He won second prize in standing broad jump competition and ball throw competition. Third prize in science quiz competition. Congratulations, dear.
Can you feel the power? Terra, fire. பலவேறி மகமா நின்னு ஆடிட புலிதானே விளையாட நினைச்சா ஓ விதி முடிப்பானே
Here comes talented Raja Tejeshwar on stage. He is good at sports and studies.
Happy greetings to all. I am talented Raja Tejeshwar from 4th year. I would like to become a world famous scientist. My favorite subject is math. I possess kinetic and interpersonal intelligence. I am good at sport. My favorite teacher is Mrs. Vinodini ma'am. She taught every concept in kind way, which increased my thinking ability. I follow my teacher direction and have them as my role model. I would like to thank my Amma and Appa because select the best CBSE school for my bright future. I will work hard to reach my goal. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He got first place in standing broad jump, ball throw, drawing, Hindi poem recitation competition. Second prize in running race, Malcolm, origami and English puzzle solving competitions. Congratulations, dear.
இருகரமாயுதம் புவி போர்க்களம் அடத்துடித்திட வெடித்திட அழகடா பகை கதறிட உடல் சிதறிட அடத்தடைகளில் தடம் செய்த படைய
Now I call upon tremendous Raja Tarun on stage. He is good at studies and yogasana.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Tremendous Raja Tarun from grade 4A. I would like to become a world famous doctor. I possess interpersonal, logical and interpersonal intelligence. I enjoy 5 different arts: yogasana, malgam, silambam, chess and meditation. Every year my Amma and Appa and I wish to participate in Shambhala meditation. It was a nice moment and remarkable day to me. It makes my entire life peaceful and purposeful and keeps my body healthy forever. My Amma and Appa are the best parents to me. The way they care for me and motivates me and makes my dreams stronger. This year I have done my skill project and showcased different intelligences to my parents. They witnessed it and appreciated for my efforts. Now I would like to give gratitude to my Amma, Appa, teachers, principal ma'am. My special thanks to MDG, who is backbone and success of my education. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good to you, dear.
Oh yeah.
He got first place in Malcolm competition, Yohasana Science Wireless Cooking competition, second place in English puzzle solving competition, third prize in Tamil group singing competitions. Congratulations, dear.
Who's the hero? Who's the hero? காக்க வந்த வாத்தியாரோ தாக்க வந்த பார்ட்டிகளை நாரே நாராய் கிழிக்கும் சாரோ. Who's the hero? Who's the hero? காக்க வந்த வாத்தியாரோ.
Here comes Victorious Raja Vetti on stage. He is good at studies and chess game.
Hello everyone, I am Victorious Raja Vetti from 4th A. I wish to become a world famous doctor. I possess interpersonal and logical intelligences. My favorite subject is maths and my favorite teacher is Lakshmi ma'am. I would like to thank my lovable Amma and Appa because they are my role model and inspiration. They taught me the good values and culture of our nation. During my intramural sports events, I have participated happily. I proudly say my father is a doctor and my mother is a professor. I would like to thank my MDG for supporting this wonderful CBSE school. Thank you. Love you all.
Big O to you, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He got first prize in English puzzle solving competition, second prize in Tamil group singing competition, third prize in clay modeling competition. Congratulations, dear. Now I call upon youthful Raja Yogesh on stage. He is good at sports.
Having greetings to all, I am Youthful Raja Yogesh. My aim is to become a world famous. I possess kinesthetic and interpersonal intelligences. At Acharya Yavan we are participating in intelligence based group. I love to participate in the inter and inter-school competitions. Recently I participated in the inter-school competitions. I won second prize in the sports, develop my sportsmanship. I am thankful to my Amma and Appa for providing. He has chosen the best school to achieve my goal. My favorite teacher is Namaji. He is a kind of a knowledgeable person. Thank you, dear brother MDG, for who created a place to festival. Thank you. Love you all.
Big O to you, dear. He got second prize in science quiz competition, third prize in Max Polyhedron clay modeling competition. Congratulations, dear.